I mean, what are you guys trying to do? Let's be fair. Let's be fair with ourselves. I think that what you are doing, honestly, I'm not happy with it. And you just have to put a stop to it. If it's a plan, and I say whatever you guys have in that studio, then you guys have to put a stop. Honestly, the education of all my public is very, very poor. What is wrong with that? What is wrong with that? Do you know the aircraft that we use? If me and Mitia at the age of over 60 years, I did not complain that I was tired. Master, but what I'm saying, Master, don't tell me what you are saying. Opa airline, Boeing 777, is it a small aircraft? It's like Uti Rolls Royce, and somebody is driving a Quada. Would you compare?
Omuntia.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okuma Radio.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
All right, and there we are, Mobi Pia Kwapa. And from Brokoma 97.1. And there you are down on the 10th of February. (2022). We show Brenna Simami and Sab Bopo don't go home. I ought to catch it, but yaba, and Sonny Yapa. Internet transfer I saw him that a good yemun sem. A chego, yes, ya fanai. Yes, I didn't know pa. A fish salmon of fish on a man and sem. Ya pop one on a fish on your mouse was swati. You made anything your command global sports. Yes, or command global sports. But I hear me on some car. Me was some part now can be 7 editorial near the but editorial will be safe yada. A channel be the best channel. I mean, me dodging my gin chilling and media sim. I'm a mental worker, Cretchen, I may yellow. I would see what's in ye. And I will walk catcher or the park on some catcher and say me by china. I have a fresh channel more chroma. Me dodging with the back chroma. A year cropon a crapim, a cropon constituency. Osha constituency kakra ke da wo ya. Ekropon constituency o. And I say Kwapem North. Osha constituency kakra ke da wo ya. One proper pitch room. Bibi sa one proper pitch room. One ultra-modern sports complex bi room. Wa utie me no fibra ya wo ne ade abepem na wo de enne na nkasa wo de wani dueduo ma ye ayi one constituency one astro fi Ekwapem of one bi wa. Eno ano no mate won awie. Achira fire ne beba. And remember na me the information ze bana wa be ya ho brego won from wa so be se. Betra be bia ya ho se brego bisa asem mu ade ya wa so be se. Dia no ya fa chira. But then Baba share the Black Star Management Committee and name penny for the Ghana Football Association led by Ket Edwin Simon Okreku. And then penny for Tima Pao. Now you the one come on. Now Ocean Management Committee ya ready. Well, acquire you console in a quentia. Hey, you dear grow chroma. But I do be an football people no say sebi ye nkoda. E say sebi ye ti won koso. Ye hye na nsua de sa. But you see de okroma. Also for me new Black Star Management Committee. Na de Makado na chairman. Ale former Black Star Management Committee na say that na Makado na vice chairman. Anya Makado kuro na nkofa mi lo ba kroma. E ba fresh mi bisa o. I Makado Kroya na mkofa omisa mkofa milo mra kruma. Then wagu sa committee na otifo for outside Makado I chairman. That's a miku for old Black Star Management Committee no. Samuel Seku for sono ka ho. It is said upon say Ghana for the ministry no ka say yengu Black Star Management Committee ni ente fofra. If another no for another o man na ye bi dey abe for me for no. Na hwe di egu mani ma. Makado chairman. Kwesi Ajiman vice chairman no so Canada no. Samuel Seku for a member no Canada no. Ere kwame ofosu ayi friends banfo aba member. Kana okwadwo eye damwa. Retire on say member. Ana mo apɛ kwan bi so ya de Alhaji Gruse wuram. So hu ni say Alhaji Rugu o bekanti. Waya ye mo de fede ma sa de na wuram. Say be Alhaji enka. Para yan Alhaji nkwa no hu o beka. Yesu ye hu a ye beka. Mu de Alhaji wuram ye nyina no yesu ye beka. Na no pa me fa Alhaji sanka ne me ni be di nkomo. Ba na Alhaji cha no ho cha na amfa no tie fa church na. Che na Alhaji be di nkomo. But if you are making a chemical man, and I mention one man, 5 minutes pay. And buy immediate come on, man, so. Michael Asarbuadu, on a sports analyst, a sports journalist. A bidding commodity for Black Star Management Committee, no. Black Star won't sell so. And so what's that? As I say, you to ado. Otuadu de name penny for pound so on your Black Star head coach. From form you say interim head coach. So Oba Shab Black Star and also Kakrebi. Assistant coach is no same you. Yeura Masoud Didi Dramani. Formerly of Crop Yakumasi and Santikoroko. For Black Princesses ni made this nadia. Masoud Didi Dramani assistant coach. Samson and George Boateng. Brother so Boma Ghana no Boma Ghana ko Boma Holland. And then Ghana you have told you so Baba here to George Boateng I find out to second assistant. Nana man focusing na Chris Hilton o me de nam kroma mo fa adwuma na manana. And then Chris Hilton ya say am Ghana for no GFA for no I say Chris Hilton technical advisor. Ono be advice technical team na kwa mo fa so hihye ni amane ade a. But if you say that's your technical director that I was. You're a Bernard Lepet. And a Bernard Lepet. On a technical director. The technical director is a technical advisor. And you might be and yet they say my recruitment. Just the government put out about South Africa. Because Chris is so you want 20,000. It is the Bible to Chris to 120. Then I'll pay as you say. Utuado and Casano interim coach the say. George Watch George Watch your say. Basu did the drama the badge say. That's how other technical members war. Then if I go to Pestrina, Yafa Mazwa, Yafa team doctor, we are so many scar. We are grow kruma. Enti sa komo nyina e be kwara face so ba ka sare boadu aboyemu kowo kakra. If you want to say hello kwaku so edi komo. Or say sports journalist. Anu so be boyemu kakra de edi komo ofia. Enti sana Tony we kwara manane sabe de aba. Ben shana chawa manane. Nsamba akumienu pere ye se masoro so na bidin komo ofie. Alright, intino ya kona fesa manane sampa kumienu yemfa ntujwa emfa mame kase neno edino nana kwame yamponse dubetuma frame AK eti join live on Facebook tie live on Facebook no Command Radio 97.1 sounds on YouTube and so no Command Radio 97.1 also betuma join live na fe so no comment no enso etua dia tujwa enso wo hodoma niama so bekoso kama enso dia mo ban o ne no text message ana fe so WhatsApp no ebadia fafa 0551 667755 and also no text message and I feel so WhatsApp also betumi ediapa ebrepem yeso beje bre na feel so yeso yakenkan enso etimi dia mawa enya sim kuma na yeneno sanso na ne Twitter for mo Twitter no and I feel so Instagram no monso mo famo dia bra at Okuman 971 at Okuman 971 also obetumi de wadwen kire enso etimi de 4 enso dia pa bibia enso no ebetumi akoso kama eni edi dwumadie no enso party mu solid sat ya sentama na nsam no ma me fan to join fam awuko piemu the English Premier League zegi English Premier League no eno adam matches ni be to jwa yemfa results na fam odia pobo kwa ni Norwich City enso to meet na fie Crystal Palace etime de pani game the corner we na 1-1 and a some match no enso to makwa we na Etihad Stadium no and Manchester City and I feel so the Brentford and the pani that is a Man City team no et Brentford upon a cameo no or also went to Brentford in after the Ryan Mahrez and I feel so the Kevin De Bruyne, KDB and the ball goes to the Tottenham Hotspur and set to the film as Southampton team no ebe channel upon Academy and San Emma Riti Mumi no 3-2 and a some match in the I feel so the Via Park no Aston Villa team no eso ya tena fie man no omo Leeds United and so etimi abo 3-3 winning matches no ada etimi to dwa e the English Premier League yes ya tumi da to dwa area ma na match ba ko betumi to dwa na se matches ni mienu e betumi to dwa e England and fixtures ni Wolves so betena fie aya 7:45 no so any Arsenal team up Southampton and Liverpool and so better fee 7:45 na no so any Leicester City at one point Anfield no a big game na so better to Liverpool you will never walk alone and so no any Leicester City a better boy ye to draw and so na dey ma ye tie for ye corner face so ye go pie mo se full ma onu sa Brighton in the Ket Zuma and no and I believe issue no Ket Zuma onu say na no da yes, sembe tutu twa mo Facebook ro wo se ne Ziggy ade to Ket Zuma then sama pa onu sa Brighton board ball and my West Ham yes it's the Facebook for Ket Zuma na da na Brighton no this time to social media just say na ejamwa pussycat cat no Ket Zuma ko butu ejamwa no and no ye video na be to wi asafa na nyina mo sa brofo no e ba na mo asem de a what I say mo omo asem de a yes mo fan dia agro Etienero West Ham United for eda tuja chance Ket Zuma se bokutuma ko butu ejamwa pa de and so Etienero ya finding £250,000 enye sika ketwa Samsung the sponsorship deal on Adidas e won Adidas for chirima ye twam ye twa deal ni mu Etienezi once Adidas logo no rather to Ket Zuma no da won and then Ket Zuma once information ni na ho na ye chiremu say no Ziggy we no a different one Adidas there to ola beba na be chire we mu we dey beba na be chire mu and the Adidas logo no to just say yes Adidas for chirema Ket Zuma pass wa ko butu ejamu ade and then the deal no what trying to deal on Adidas for Samsung in the West Ham for finding £250,000. Now since that's can only baby I call you say the charity and any charity baby I'm more and they almost more and one of us ni mami ni papa na abro for the show bro that's can yeah they call that feels there akoboa sa and more charity no e we UK it's in Ghana ana mranya adwuma UK dia mranya adwuma te Ket Zuma and they house for to make ejamo be friend ogapo no be twa to sa go za ogwa o twa jamwa no to sa be ne Zuma ono na jamwa ne ye brego kote ejamwa kakra and in sponsorship deal Adidas for the send boot ni ade ne say twa sa deal ni mo club obo no so no £250,000 and also no and omu of fine no ontua £250,000 and yes kaketwa otua ne de akoma emmoa sebe emmoa mo nso no eni maami ni papa mo ye nyanka no na mo so de akwhye mo but Ziggy fast logo no picture ba kono to so dia Zuma de no kokko no red no ha Ziggy to so amechirem what's the name no amount for social media yesrewe yawo on say no Puma on say Puma logo no as I say jamo bi dem ohiri ene no ye de Zuma na atowa je so no butu ejamo no and the Facebook for no behu say ne o ma chiro Zuma wa say je say aso butu ejamo no nti ene no social media for na ban jam say dey a almost said am fan dia go mesero nti ne abrofo ni chiro ma hwe Zuma o be butu ejamo wa ade ane ne ye be twa so na o mo game a Western boy enra na brand en ko pra ya say ye twa no no to form kakra na fans no say share once I dey there ya e say ejamo no ni feelings se jamwane dia no so eye ne ya nti ye be sama na nsam no tew na ye de asina yakwa ahoma no so na ni ye ne Michael Asarbuadu enso akodi nkomo ono eye sports journalist ana finso no sports analyst ewo eye Silver FM Kumasi na ye ni di nkomo afa Blackstar on sensem na finso no ya hye ne no so efru bantere ma me kwa ahoma no so na me nkodi sa mente san komo wo mfemfiri one no show near park Papa Fresh atena say Kofi Coach enso wa ha enti ene ma me kwa ahoma no so senior awie ma ma akwa banfamra apue mantem Okoman 97.1
good afternoon baby aboko there
senior onyakopo adom kakra yewom na na wie enu ada onim say ne the Ghana Football Association led by Ket Okraku Ebenemi a new Blackstar Management Committee Ayura Makado and a chairman and so Yasan Benemi technical team na and Yura Otado and I have say head coach and a Chris Utimo yadina technical advisor some decisions here Ghana Football Association that take senior own say.
Well, I think that on paper it looks packed. Luki So good on paper. Now football so there, and yet paper soon you did juma, and so we need to, you know.
Okay, metonka.
Dientina Yema Otoado Obabefa the Black Stars for just 2 matches against Nigeria. What is the thinking of the GFA or more executive council? No, or more share just the short term. What happens to the medium term? Because don't forget, after a year World Cup playoff qualifiers, you AFCON qualifiers and so on. So, what is the thinking of the GFA in this regard? Dientina Otoado Diaba. So, will be familiar with the team. Now, somebody from within. I don't think Otuado was much more experienced in the Black Stars setup than Obi to say Ibrahim Tanko. Tanko has been with the national team, was an assistant to Openi James Akwesi-Appiah for more than 2 years. And then he also had, in the last appointment, was with the Black Meteors, the national under-23 team. So he also knows the system, and also TFA. So what exactly is the GFA looking at? Obi maybe that's our question, no? So in appointing Otuado, it raises much more concerns. It brings on board much more questions. And Emma Umu said, clearly, there is a decision the GFA has taken to please almost everybody. And at the end of the day, if you want to please everybody, you end up pleasing none. And because to me, and that is a basic way I found. Now, the immediate developing here, why I said it's good on paper, no one. Otuado the coach, Chris Heaton, technical advisor, assistant coaches, Yebenya George Boateng, who will come in and offer his support as well. Now, the American here one. At the same way, kitchen, chefs, and nurse cooks, but also me in jollof. Obia bet down your jollof no man I de. Obia sonne kwan of fast on one jollof no man yede. And tis a work for moon cambo no jollofa. And was that would me clearly specify Obia in the road no Obia nyanti asiano. And Timina me soja, me soja. Mediane say me blended vegetables, no much chabia, and also me Mediane say me che oil no na my stew. Maye. Mediane say me a morning baby goo, a stew nim na master, me sia fran watch a lot na maye. Mediane say me men check a jano, say was through and I say this row. And if properly, what mean defining rules now, a mind tia say juma. And the honor jollof no. Or no be so okay, say anything also be a cabo near to me jano money bank near there. And those we free China. So what can say Obia in your jollof no? Na among question kitchen honor munya. The confusion is that since the minimum choir the past year may be an fan. Member person may be an NSA. Or before crossing the DNA defense, or also the person obey the NSA. And to want to question kitchen for pet. Instead say no Diana notice ya beya casa, and the onion say, and learn the confusion back. Obey maybe I was same re, maybe an crowd away yet. Into a very precarious situation. On paper, a dinner debt, which it looks quite okay. It's a problem there, but or more carbo my jumano. That is where the problem is because George Boateng who football in a different context. Masoud Dramani who football in a different context. Chris Heaton who football in a different context. The same applies to Otuado. And to why wine? Because the technical advisor will probably look at one video analysis of opponent and Chris Heaton just for the Nigeria game. So as a technical advisor for Ghana versus Nigeria home and away, or question Nigeria for acquire or ball. Say free kick back, him fan or tie boko, corner kick back, him fan or tie boko. Players very no move who or goalkeeper no cheboa or bosim and or the two no or bar or boko nifa and or boko benkum. So Chris Heaton question when in what documented detailed strategy on Team Nigeria. That is going to be the role of a technical advisor. He will provide a detailed technical report on team friends in Nigeria. Now, out of the report, he will advise or propose a strategy the course of 2 games. A beboa Emma football yet many results I pay against the Super Green Eagles. Now, so the report never now or the advice make one. Why never Fadia di Gumotuado be peninsula because every Otuado will for Nigeria differently. And so also a plan that the team that send the all prepare cover Nigeria team. And so also she says, oh, Nigeria for an idea may counter attack the two Mebabua. But based on the technical advisor's report and any advice and recommendations, maybe a counter attacker Mwa. So you see the confusion in here. Jenny the assistant coaches, Matsu Didi Dramani, and then also George Watson, and then almost on Baba contributing. You can't say, and I'm not doing the same kind, but one thing is now the number of Bibrea, you want number or high a chance and a bang, and you want number also I did goom claim one up poto. And what do you know, goom, no one yet careful, and now maybe bang, a dim bang, a bisuba poto, and to whom and Namankasa with the goom finding. And that is the situation we find ourselves in. And clearly, going forward, if we don't try to get these technical personnel to work together as a team, now Obienya a clearly defined role, I think there could be a capitulation. In Nigeria,
Senior Oka, technical advisor, you're Chris Hilton Assembly. So already your technical director or Bernard Lepe, and also Ejuma Ben Obabe is Chris Aba. As a one skill. Anna.
Well, there is a slight difference in Obioye technical advisor and Obioye technical director. The technical advisor role, a game specific. Say be a Okobo opponent today. Opponent now in the Pakoshiano. Ebia omutai utilizes set pieces span. Club in him, Ebia you have a technical director or club or but a technical director no an expert in set piece coaching. And you might see the need to hire a technical or an expert on over set piece coaching. So for that particular assignment, the person will offer technical advice. In terms of a technical advisor. A woman say a technical director in Bernard Lepet, Obetina Yejuma Saidi. But why the DFA failed to get him involved? And I'm being I said, perhaps the FA is trying to please everybody, and at the end of the day, they will end up not pleasing anyone. Because ye now aware say Chris Hughton the candidate of the government. And the word in town, and they say after the Nigeria assignment, Chris Hughton the national team the so perhaps this is an introduction to what pertains to the Black Stars. And he introducing it to say Black Stars now about the panel. Say this saying it here. So say this saying it here the best role to give him the technical advisor because one, the GFA's primary candidate has always been Otuado for Ghana versus Nigeria. And Omuntu mean Kasa Chris Hughton enquire Otuado assistant because Hughton was Rokakra Otuado in terms of experience, exposure, and then pedigree. And here Kasa Otuado head coach na Chris Hughton an assistant enye Jumasa. Now your person Chris Hughton so enya a direct experience of Black Stars Jumedi and CTNT. Then we need to give him a role. Lesser than the head coach role. And so that is how come you are creating a technical advisor, Eddie Amano. But I didn't make a kind the assurances that has been given government before they approved this proposal and they say after Nigeria, Omobeje government request not to say Chris Hughton will take charge. But Omo proposes say Nam say Chris Hughton name Black Star team no. Na Nigeria assignment na ebenge in many and the Ombepeso Otuado Ebeye head coach. And to compensate for that inability to appoint Chris Hughton as the head coach immediately, the federal technical advisor Eddie Amano. So it has nothing to do with the technical director or Bernard Lepet or you're competent and also you're incompetent. This is purely a decision taken politically to satisfy certain powerful people within government, and then also to make sure that the FA's relationship with government, will continue to be harmonious.
I think the answer I'm more kono. Black Star Management Committee. Say yes, you ngunu ni ante foforo. Ani ate foforo. Na e kam ya kweza say ai old guru so no e bi wo foforo ya timo.
Yes, and also yeah, you see, so the composition of the new Black Stars management team, no, it looks more like people from outside. Obi to say, Ro Posubamfo, Sikens, the colonel retired who's been also added. Most of them, 7 members. Out of the 7 members, no, from what I know, and it's 4 based on the recommendation of government. In Jabai because government wanted to play a part in Omo composing. And a could situation we say the Black Stars Management Committee. The person needs to be an ESCO member. And to be an ESCO member there, he should also be a government person. That is how come they fell on the vice president of the GFA, Mercado, who is a government person. Let me put it that way. Then the other persons on board also will support. Sami Kufuor is a government person. Here you know him, Jumebi Odidima, the Black Stars, ever since the normalization committee never on board. He was with the Black Stars in 2019 with Egypt, and he was maintained afterwards. Omoye committee, Yadene seconds also part, and then the Canada. I think Nidini Damwa something, and also about the count. Now, what we need to understand here and here, there are different practices in terms of how I utilize the management committees. There were other setups where NAM and Nyoma are done professionally. You don't necessarily need a management committee. You hear just a team manager. In Joshua setup, it is a Germany national team. Or more a team manager in Oliver Biel. Only coach Nena Kabum dealing with the day-to-day running of the senior national football team of Germany. There were other setups where we get competent people, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, to say England so practice. So they get a management team that would take charge of the national team. And he said a straight jacket approach, Fanipa Bako, Fanipa Mienu. It is based on baby how anyhow I will see fire on Yoma. Now the problem most people have had with the management committee is they fail to do the necessary in the sense that logistical constraints. Ebia said you maybe a touch ma was see in your way the koha say the kohano. Most of the times a problem. For instance, your call away a Cameroon. People have complained about hotel people have complained. But a management committee Juma. So smart advanced party ko inspecting now who's a facility you advise accordingly. The decision to even move to Qatar anyway, the management committee will sit down with the technical director, which of course they engage, Then we plan. So all of these things, say about appointed people, not omumbe ye jumananka say na ema manfo dia omuti omutrim. But as well, a send is here in Yoma Ghana, a cuts across every divide, and not just football, even in politics. So we say appointed asumesi, unquire board chairman, appointed asumesi, unquire MD, unquire CEO. We inquire district chief executive, municipal chief executive. At the end of the day, so most of the appointments in Ghana are done politically and not really as a necessity. Say you experts to man a certain field and then bring progress. And then the baby idea about the Drew. And he has set up several committees in Ghana, but then concoction. And then my mom will be say a coin phrase where say committee says because so that is the situation we find ourselves in. I would have preferred Nipa Bako. Nipa Bako now the man. A Tony Bafo can handle the Black Stars as a team manager. He will take charge of what the management committee does. But the FA sees it differently. And if they see it differently and want to appoint people, since Amanfo said it is a privileged position in T, they will also want to bring their people on board. So I beg government in GFA. And now Obenya cake no muchicha. Into Momuchicha Modia, because we just hope and pray things will work. Because experience can home. And then people who are also affluent and people who are also powerful. Sami Kufuor as a former footballer commanded respect in a certain way. Alhaji Grusa has been a veteran football administrator. Why Jumano for over 30 years, 40 years. Still Ogusu and also want to respect him. He comes in with another contribution. And then he also asked the Muslim element because people have started raising concerns about why the FA does not really engage Muslims in most of the stuff or it contributes that quota. Don't forget, a section of the Black Stars players so are Muslims. So to encourage ASR or say collective participation, no, the Muslims, the Christians, any other people, they will come together and move along. Yenya issues of juju in camp. Alaji Guza comes in here with his experience from the spiritual point of view, with his experience from the footballing point of view. They will come in and contribute something. I hope that you get a thinking.
Yeah.
There are times where Sikaya Chelsea by Honyambai. I will say obedient in Saboni Bottom na Oyiska finance BD. That is where the likes of seconds and your experience come in. There are times you pre-finance national team activities. And to where you pre-finance and now, what happens is that government will pay later. But if you can you form a committee now, sebe or more committee, they won't mean they give one side deep in Komubotomo Fanya Bibia. And the problem is Beba. So seconds will offer that kind of backing and it's the experience or in Ghana football. So also the back home. He also has that corporate appeal because the Black Stars Management Committee, to some extent, will also need to engage corporate entities for sponsorship reasons. And to win seconds or do anymore. Sebo a penny or Ghana hand and the baby Okobia, doors will open for him. Unya other people on board. The military retired a year and American and once the actual way. I think at the didn't escape him and find
Colonel Kwadwo Damwa.
Yeah, Damwa, exactly. Or no say from the military background, he comes in with discipline. We have complained about ill discipline in camp. I also what he has here. And it looks like they carefully looked at the various backgrounds of the committee members. But as to say, Omo Debedi Jumano, and then a question, because where they are coming from, no, is different. The work they are coming to do is what is important. So the person might be a pastor, but pastor no could run 9 club. Like is a 9 club and young men say, well, on a day influence and if a pastor in the Bible, better on January, sir. No idea, sir. I hope you get it. So these people are from various backgrounds. They will enter into the terrain. Once the happenings within the setup, no, won't it impact negatively on the output and more contribution towards whatever is happening, no, and a negative impact. So all these things will have to be looked at. So on paper, the appointment, it looks quite okay. Or much change doctor, or much change BBR. But what matters most is a Jumano. Omobetinya Omodentias Yemen Kabum Ebedi Jumano, and they are very crucial. And any idea means to me you are no, and many crabby and no betting
Senior, Obrenity, my fancy, na Cotwell Jumedia. So in some of the Adorso, in some people, one come out for Cassie. I Sami Kufan Macadu, some Macadu and a coffer, a Miluba Kruma, and then a some money but a Brenity Senior, Major Moakona, and Achana Yatuaso, and I mean, that was here.
Let's make that.
Okay, and Senior, yes, Michael Sarbudu, I don't sports journalist, and so Silver FM. Okumasina yene nso no edin koma just wa cheche ni aba bebre Power Fresh wa sanso na coffee coach enso atena se Power Fresh what is some bebre what we chire mu from
make me enchi atiefu na awie okuma atiefu na awie na aye mo akwa aba yada mo ase sa abrini no mutie and that moment interview ni bebre your senior colleague Edebai from Ashanti region. And I think Ghana as a country nankasa my serious because this is just a match ba kopen ye kwakobo any o man in Nigeria and a kobo playoff World Cup playoff na ni obedi nkonim both home and away no aggregate na qualify the 2022 Qatar World Cup ni bi and as a country Yakko Cup of Nations you had 1 point and a fee. And we need just an interim coach. Now we're teaming up Wyan. For the past seasons, and I say years, Edema the Black Stars of Ghana. I think say Yaya appointment be brilliant. Me say I'm for so and share the nisosa because I'm talking about a technical director, any technical advisor. Man you eke. Nyame aduma ye this qualify pet. Yes, I be pay coach. I feel ni be pay coach on be adwuma do. And now, instead for the country, and I say Ghana say, you bet me a penny per bakum you be no matter me a border qualify ne dia mine. And I say impose a coach na ready. I was say yeah appointed coach no to me a ball that match and it was the match because Ghana and Nigeria na ekobo and there's no way say country be a serious no. Odi Nigeria ebe test edi ama coach awakwa fan. No. Yeba African football Nigeria can be no mudi mu omuni ball ne bo omodin boy so ani enti say wo pe coach na wa be adwuma abo for the next 2 seasons and I say emri bia o person coach ni be adwuma na I don't think say Nigeria match match what the test case edma that coach because a big game and any of these countries can win that game so say Ghana ye serious ni e pese e ball no baby a ye de ball na fi no ye fi wo ekọ baby a ebebo Ghana ama enkurim di atimi aba I don't think sanka appointment bebrei enwuhia unnecessary infaso ni so sabieke say ye bekọ akofa enipa makomako be ye enum match ba akopa ye kwa akobo ye ni Nigeria ye ni Nigeria ye ni o mabo games bebrei and say open Nigeria formation obo eke enshada ni baby ni akire uhia technical advisor uhia technical director and Bernard Lippert edaso ye kan say GF honum still edaso ye adwuma de am man Ghana ya mu bebre ya kan bebre say sa papa na nga say ye hu adwuma sonko ye and AK ye hwehwe mu ne say technical director na say technical advisor that post ni nyina obi anje kura $15,000 bosome obi age. And now technical director G15 now technical advisor and so G15 and I nyina nim say government na and clear say onu coach onu na ni ho and Chris Horton yet me yan hwe because onu na pay coach no enye yan ni etua and Ghana say coach a yepe and Chris Horton and there's no way say was say me here disappointment bebrei because of just one game and any man in Nigeria on paper. You know him say Nigeria, there's no way Sanka Ghana on paper the betimi ashon, but these two countries Asia.
Your boys and us bisano.
Yeah, son.
A big brain where
yes.
Pussy.
Okay, yes, son. We are the Ghana. Team we wo party. Africa, yes, son. Because Oma any omusi so. Oma na any omo esua bobo. Oma any omo precaps no. Now omo nyina san ho ko. There's no way say Ghana. You betimi di yan want to. Or me to say Nigeria and I say Cameroon and I say Ivory Coast. Yes, game ne ba so de ebetimi aka be say ebe wini. But to say ebe bam no eno so ade ba ko because these countries no omo fi omo olden ways no. Emre bi atwam ekwan no mo run on football no mo fi that kwan so. And omo nam the scientific way of doing football in the whole world. And Ghana ye the old one so I think say Ghana no okay, me na nka me hu ni say owurandi ade Chris Horton ne betimi aye adwuma na na so no na country no man no and say government ne pena the best thing for them to do ni say e was so mo appointed papa no and ade ba ko ma hu ni say now Otuado me dey me fan of omo aye omo ta kan say oh e bi aye here experience ni awaje cap ni awabo you can say Africa terrain oni mu ansana yetimi amani ko dabi there is always a first time yetimi ama coach bi appointment
na Michael Kasa
yes
see people bi a onim African terrain na ango to ado enyo no ka na ese befa
yes
befa sanka Ibrahim Tanko
yes
he has been with the team for so long and akwesi apia na ade anta anka no so nim African terrain no
yes
ade ne yakofo
enti na me say me fan of say ye kwa fa ni onim African terrain and say wa coach ache wo hwe to ado ni na emre bi atwam ne modern board ma Dortmund no mane a couple of no Germany na osi akan wo bebre wo hwe ne modern board esoni and wo hwe ne coaching career and so ba bia wa FIFA hamburgers venom ne na sefo abi PM Dortmund na ene yes ono be enchim coach no me problem is say after this game Otuado adwuma ba bi oni esan be man wo national team no me problem no
my friend mesa ba na abeto aso na just say Black Star Management Committee who say nyina wo ho ene ade
because ye hia soldier ni so we be discipline you can say players and sana discipline as ye hia soldier ni mine
my friends remember but Facebook messages back me no biapa I'm just say metimi atie firo na afin so no ya hwe but obetimi no comment ade aba and afin so no fafa WhatsApp and as SMS yes WhatsApp and SMS 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Abaya on Facebook. Also, good afternoon, Diamond. Watching you live from Ayetama. And also, I didn't need the just say or show no live in Tama. Sounds so Jimo Smiler. I say congratulations, bro. Okay, Obama Basso meaning but also I will feel also be to text message WhatsApp and about 0551 6677 55 0551 667755. That feels to be BBR and so on. Etimi akọ. So Samson on Facebook, Oko Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 Samson on YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 Twitter, Instagram ni nyina at Okoman 971. Also with my follow now do jumedi and so there about coach wa Oyi ayi say Otuado and go to Black Star. Yakobo Nigeria match nti.
Nigeria match nti go for Otuado ba.
And then chirichiri mo apenyi for there ba.
Na Bruno ba no so say onu be dem am.
So no ba be two technical team dey for. Onu be two am for, onu be two Otuado for.
Na dey na mo for jona share the government na appointing say
government and government never coach. Government in the Tuaka.
Very good. I don't say adwuma we na me pe. Ti we na me pe nti o me dey o coach.
I will to my yard na dey adwuma ma afi no. So we to my yard.
Say afi dey da ho. Ba o ye adwuma. O tu o ye adwuma no ya. Na boss fro ni we papa fresh maintenance. We tell adwuma ya. Ana o ndumi pa mo.
Since no afi ne betuma afa papa fresh abetana.
Yeah. And na man say na me tu aka. Na me tu aka. Ana say the adwuma na o ye na nsumani.
Ne fa osika ko fa coach.
Na dem want me to aga.
Oh, so do sika, what me do sika ko fa coach afa.
And dem my point to
say it's not possible say do sika ba ko fa coach. O yes ape.
Now so it's possible say o suit me fa o coach ba. Ono no ba Ghana no. Yeah, boy ko fa the boss me tell coach my no. Dey no ka kire. We anya o so nyamre. Ba we do nyamre so we coach Ghana.
Say bi o nyamre me ya assistant bo we nyamre.
We dey o nyamre. But o do nyamre say.
Say critical.
Dey na ko fa obro ni mo say ono mo nyamre ba ye no. Yeah, for no move. The abandoned point in the bar and say, on my mind, and for no more yet, on your braba.
Down the naked, I
don't know, so that any president, Akasa.
Simple no Makasani will be about between the player Biakasa.
Yeah,
because a question appear by other players do not know a Ekasa any idea to be between the players.
But president who say, or no bar with a Tino, will be at an Fancy be away when you be ending Goma. What age man?
I so be answer to ado enya.
Ye tie ya mabeka ho a. O kasa ekwan.
Enko bia.
Enko bia. Enti na afo tuma fresh ye meka na no kasa no. Saa so na so no. Utim be ye adwuma na enga san san watin san godan. Ye pon we ko ye nka won ko bi una be dai. O be she ho. Nge ntu ka ma ho be fresh bra na dai bra.
Do to ado no chana ehun ni ye Black Star.
E dey ball na to ado dey no ayama Ghana. Obo ma Ghana ina dey no ayama Ghana. Otuado. Dey ma Ghana.
Amaya ko ball World Cup ni 2006.
That 2006 World Cup man dey no ayama bi o. Muji din muji obi close mo anyi o Ghana. Nta dey bia mo sori a mo tu ba bi jimudin. Ba dey na say wi a na mo pa dai. Mo ho hire mo ba mo kuro mu.
Otuado di asai.
Now you're head coach.
I assistant coach.
Yes, coach. We be head coach o ni mo se.
Be the Ghana dina ashe to Germany abonten so dia.
Ana man to kuro mu. Obori ba Ghana, ti obori ba Ghana say. E be assistant coach. Onu ko be official coach ma yen. Ba o Cote d'Ivoire kwaje cap. Wa Africa ji ka ba 3-2. 2 ha.
And they crowd the Saudi Arabia qualify by World Cup.
Yes. I don't know no be training or if say trainer o. Eso tumi ba G Cup 2 Africa. Na wo a you man num nu. Fa yes am just Sisi.
Ali Sisi.
Yes. We were Senegal for 8 years. Odo man ntinu wan ko ba bia. Watenam saa den. Ada ga manage Cup. So do man dia. I don't know why na unko ye coach no. Wa ma Ghana se fa Ghana team no mami. Me twa
be start na Brennan so ya feel.
Na Brennan was Brennan so ansa.
I feel na Brennan so.
Dabi. Sisi Brennan do Brennan be enro. Eso tinsa friend no buy. Onu so do man ntinu. Oboy wan ko biu. Wan na change no man no. Odene wo twini kuro no. Se kuro no say. Watena se saa te kwa sa bi do sa brei. Wetin age cap no am dia.
But still there ya fan wie say.
No, ya fan.
And then I o share free Otoado.
Okay, see here say wetin qualify. So Nigeria buy.
It is the qualifying for you and man no of fire ko World Cup na.
Oh, so wetin qualify dia. They all qualify too fast me free. Nko aso no. Yes say there you push you.
Okay.
No ko. Say push am wan ko you from us bia. We ask coach ma different person about no.
Ono so Otoado there me sure say why crowd so be assistant coach there ma coach bia.
So oh no. And as anipa bia no obre ho ase a. Unya de. So I don't know.
Yeah.
Obre ho ase a unya de. So we kwa won wa obre ho ase a ya assistant coach. No bi owo ni mu wo se na won aba. Ese experience no yensu nde bia fa akon. Yensu different place. But what we see we bi no be for South now Africa now we see Africa na. See Africa dem more. Essence we go see one side nko a. The mess pa. So to ado aba no. Ma won tie afanafa. Adwuma no oba na so ye adwuma no won hwe so ye adwuma. Say asuma ti fa me pray akoye ko bobo. Yesu me pray we, yesu we no onyi ni nyan tungu. Na yesu adwen fa ye dey e wa adwuma. Me ni wasa me kan no.
Okay. And then coffee coach ne dey tie na dey atudwa. Tony be ye ina ni nkomo wa ma so da. Afin so ye ko ye ni ma ne sa but but you last time I went there ba be I zoom asem no na. I be sere kura. Yeah. Oh yeah. Tony.
Bad ball.
Mra ya
Kroma bebe. Bi put the gas out ko body ba ko kra no kra dia sama bana. Yehowa.
Oh. Tony, how may you na fi so. Ya hwe na ebetumi na
kakra me dey kan you know say Kroma ya technical director there ben yes adwuma no yentumi che say ye hu enfaso e wo sebe e wo sa adwuma no so enti there is no way say even clubs e wo Kroma akra technical director kra ye wo bi because ye hu ana ye nyina adwuma no ya ne say e coach adwuma ye ni mu nchichemu bia coach ana wo say ni nyina even to the extent say psychologist cry was say coach and yes man here adwuma
psych boys
enu nyina kan bi and me hope sanka this technical director adwuma no ebetimi ayeyi a say ebetimi ehu enfaso e wo so a ne de aye adwuma nka be boy because say na senior man from Kumasi Edibai no wo hwe ekwan a technical director adwuma ne te no utumu sampa e adwuma esombo ba kromu a ne yehu esomfaso e na yehu emfaso e wo so and enya national team anka there is no way say ye benya technical advisor as per technical director biem and ye nyina nim say technical director na oho no ne wo sank ye ni sabe ye yi na di no ye perfofro na say ebi nu okra and talking about you can say Otoado ne ho nsensam ne dia I think say ni aya kan ni nyina ne say adwuma no na ono ne dia ba me problem ne say wan hwe ya na ni din a be pepa afie coaching krata num because say the Nigeria game nko amount na say yes expect say obetimi win that game no dia man na say bia nko yi a I think say we didn't be fi yan krata but
ko yin so
ko yi dia Bao miss no. Eko ya bao miss no. One assistant coach ano mo de be ma no. Because as omu ni gidie ne kese omu se why assistant coach. Yes. Omu se why assistant coach a che because o ko clubs are wo coach wo mu nyina. Ni nyina assistant coaches nko a. Because Ghana from 2013 2013 to 2015 a yetimi pound say head scout who said then on scout my World Cup na 2014 no I think say eno na ye big a year when ya ni nyina assistant coach
but friend my cutting komo we firi ho na yewi a yemeto aso ye kwa o no so na afin so no ye ne hello kwaku eni komo ono ewo ye Power FM and afin so no TVXYZ eni komo sports journalist good afternoon. Hello. 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 Yeah, I'm on for network. Yeah. Tony, yeah, na free na. I'm Kruma there. I'm on for.
Aye, Charlie. Kruma there. Ezo bi asori ani opa na oyo.
Bibi ni be there kra o ya.
Bibi ni be there. Bibi ni su ye ni po.
Ragu, ultimate carry. Yeah. Okay. Hey, I'm out for network. But still, you just said Sabeka. Hello, Kwakuna. You need to come out. Good afternoon. Hello, Kwaku. Sorry. Okay. Hello. Okay. Ultimate car. Oh, Yanko Pardon. Bibi, I fine. It's all kind of actually.
When they say you don't put those or you need now. It's one of those.
Say Bibi kakra ba ho nti no ba ya no ahwehwe oba kakra.
Oh. Sabi na mishira wa no watu. Ya anisa.
Nti no aya na ma oba nte onka.
Mate.
Ragu enrada the Ghana Football Association it may be name a new management committee and I feel so a new technical team and the Black Stars of Ghana. First answer me say.
Well, first of all, Minchi Okumai, a chief was now, Mimpa, but audience on month before when we post to confidence in you and me, over Jumapa, and I think I mean, the sky, our Mokase had a limit in one genre, Papa Honkra, necessary, baby. Now, oh yeah, Juma. I remember first of all. Now, remember the naming of Black Stars newly appointed management committee now face the technical team. Mamisha Simfefi, the technical aspect of the game. I think the appointment here. To me, I feel that from the backdrop say here qualification to the World Cup, no, a year, in terms of any woman in the any choir or my first boy and football pen. I mean, just in George Watson, didn't name and mean can come be as a boy. Your friend, so be a kind of mind. When you pass over, be a kind of mind, and or so be a camera Holland. Now, Osha, Nanamon Tony, Kwan Wafaso, Edin Humana. I think we will be said you see the form and say, and say, Obey, obviously, I come Aston Villa. Now, money more better than Aston Villa, Emma, Penfonia, Professor, a break any mono. The regiment and says, 1 year, 1 more training. Oh, quite after more bit me a boy. So shall say free. One under a year 15 and they were rise up to the 23 side of form Aston Villa achievement. So I think about the technical aspect of the game or when you get a crack a bit me a one face and me a so all bars and assistant coach and yet 1 be three. Now Masudi did Dramani. Many million name Yawai Ukuma. The club Yakumasia Santico to quite double. I mean back to back. It's not GFA Cup peso. I mean Sarah Cody coach Biama Santico to what baby. And open coaches so we cry a man a mumu a team. Deaf and dumb women's team our memoir I Ghana. I feel we're coaching the under 17 side. I had the Black Maidens, Eddie Omoko Costa Rica Kochi, I Bronze at the Bro Minor. So we should any achievements. Any Niama way right to dream ni no Jedlam. Nina a can be featured the Ninian winning and over Body Obianka and once a money.
as Obia would say, Jumana Ediamano, Equani Munubetini. Now, what do? Yes, was your kind of my Ghana. When you think the Borussia Dortmund, and they of a far Black Stars assistant coaching job, no. Omzi ya kwa afkoni, ya nyana mfana nko. Esan, nijumedia wodi ni adie. Because minu miri mze, se mi free baby ako baby, na minya the grip of the job. Na enya dia, yedi ejumane share mensa, infiesi. Na matuwa so ejumane biya, sebi yo, omwani ya pamu dia free ejumane wodiya. And then between move for pebe before ebe buame. So I feel say this na communication a boy ya one ehye say oba be adwuma ni na mo no ya baba be do baby o wa dream say okay mama nyi adwuma na enye and o hwe adwuma na o je na e communication e course because yet tete ni say Tony Bafo edna no e di common people na so papa ni dia tun because when they go say that mo adwuma no embe fa adwuma ni na fe itire ya be pamono enti nimye ne do wo be mum se obeya ma yase no no ji Ghana fo ni na de ni ato e se obetinya ya adwuma no and I so say e matra makwani di ene ye and I double heavy obona ye ma ya yinimja o heading and before the talking on to us on adwuma but they are certain cases in aba yinimja the government on the day and the coffee and buy. And it's a buying of the now, but you are. That is it. I had one who was state. Oh, Laxas money. And so moving forward, no, the aqua say, okay, young Timmy, you have put the copy you nimble. Ye nimble no so. Your man and yet played the advanced role or the technical aspect of young game. Now, so your man turning quite possibly if you are going here. Na fiye de juma na mano. And no ya me idea making and yet from the GFP point of view. And it's a Kobanisa na your city qualification come what happen as one person is money the GFP but what don't send me the amana. Ama sir the back of Twado and was on shooting and was so the advice you a questioner meaning was a yano. I think say ko yena ya qualify for World Cup. Me as you told me, it's mano the percentage so that was what. But what the better say when you compare by Juma. And I say when you pay Juma to no walk with Germany back. You know some say that every coin you moon. I was say you bisa. Per how must structure the technical team I think so the boy. Say omujitum from omunani na be Juma na bom. Oma born and qualify for the World Cup. Then I got my bank 21 here. I think a beboa. But in two be a Kazakasa Bamudia and never made man quite. So I think that the technical aspect in 24 Yomuya a family in Yomuya. Now to the management aspect of the game. We need to muda say what's it? It's Black Stars Management Committee and Sana. It's near making young Black Stars more functionable. We need to move that. I believe the Black Stars Management Committee it's new for be so 1 year term. Later, one was the minimum bonus. Abra GFA president one thing over you suit that opportunity, sir. Or better Black Stars as I have a job. Now I'm one more give no, said the woman. I want and you can take into your man. And so I say, do the say, and I job for the boys. Any nine could she can't buy any at the other. Now, when you're the enemy is in your idea, you are to come on. Lay appearance here. A Black Stars Management Committee, chairman and member. On a short times 2. It will go times 3. Now, play a local kind of 2 years. And then, as one of them. So, I feel the Black Stars Management Committee here. I mean, you say, and we should be in a degree. But the former players, you have some good Black Stars and to do commonly at the idea and your copas are. So, make me a boy. But you confirm penny for you. I'll go to the or Munich degree. But this time on, we share the constitution of the Black Stars Management Committee. me can say a problem, but about how the Amaya break anymore. Because I feel that when my point you if we one side of our political divide. And the moment I best sound it, a problem at the margin. Makadu or no, a vice president for the Ghana Football Association. Any man in the political affiliation. Usual opinion, I have a Shagiman. Tourism Authority in the Friba. Sami Kufo, Alaji Karim Gusa. Ushe Keno Damwa. Ushe Woma name on in Nadigo Mufribano. It can be detailed. So, Ushe the structure now. It can be detailed. About so Black Stars in a Japan. And to this time around, Mia and Amaya, Ejumano, from the management point of view. It is an idea. As a Black Stars in the United States, a bank and a Wonona was enough for Bonka and Idiano. Sabri, when you are Jimmy, Niamesa Madinia, a Debwa, and the Niamenko for Miko Monko. Yes, sir, what got here? The other, Joseph Yamiko Canada, a 2-1, and this are coming and Jacoba. Now I will 2-2 because it will qualify for Qatar 2022 as I 2-2. As the political angle of the game, I found the world at the moment. I buy any other passer, World Cup of Kobe. And the Sadia and the Niaman Crawford means it's a woman managed Black Stars, and we didn't cafe on it because the other president means minimum time for Yajima. I don't know about the bit but you can say a coba the interference aspect of the game. Jana bound from the world we were giving him no harm. And to be a braya qua, and you know, we are Baba Cassie. Now we have a cassie, now we have a cassie. And yes, I'm not near the outgrown equity. So for me, the constitution of the management committee of the Black Stars and for the technical aspect, good. But then, you not your pussy man can me a boy. But the utmost and what any plan is basically World Cup qualification. And I think you name umpire. So in Nigeria, double day, and you me a funny qualified.
Bravo Kunaga, you busy me, Mr. Say, Osha Yura Makado, I didn't a chairman here. I'm one of Kofa Milo Baya, Eja Amfa. There's a Black Star Management Committee. You might do some Kubena or Baba the award the Black Star Management Committee. The idea constituting the 3-member board, and on count. I think and the Abbey and I say Salif Fuzida, and I think 1 member. No, Makado was part. No, not count. Okay, yes. Normally 3, yes. Okay, so also count. Yeah, then it raises because why is the more and I'm writing. Now this time I sound for some of the management committee, but I'm looking at it from this angle. Say it would be a bound. It was or the district would move. A woman said, what I own again, Jabia, Omuko meeting in a coy 2-1, or to TI, and around the new leader at 2-4. Send you not as a Omudin Zunkunim. But if you are not a no, any more, why in the corner? If you are not one that thing is still I am an opportunity to beat me a man. And the constitution of this Black Stars Management Committee, executive council in the Diaba, but minimum say 24 be at a 3 a day, this constitution and Diaba. So, name 14 baby, any day in the bit, and I'm president of the Marco Tokobo Buku, any the media or DNA Abinina. Yes, yeah, Obidia, or idea of it, the bomb or the bit. Okay, Brauku, my man, was to say, only a 97.1. Edin come watch it in baby.
But you're making even Tornado appear about the management committee, you know.
Sana bit it.
Former players anymore.
Sure.
Agrono, one way to be paid. When we know how any players a casa, See, any your dada, Antoine, some you so miss your can woman is your kind of piano. So, generally, that is a mystery of your boy Juventus. Now, Black Stars, you know, yeah, man, ye, Branham in boy Juventus, and a player, but just tomorrow about the ball. What you say? But who got some management committee, a chairman, and as a member, because him, that when these are common, a dear pan with original so, they are convinced player.
Player no cry nimno.
How be a crane. So, in trying to convince players on the come on, man, here former players, you know, to our force, and a bit of Bonner, if you have a
Okay, Raguma, now I say we still only a deal come. Yeah, that's me. Okay, into hello, Kwaku. Oh, hello, Kwaku. They tell the guy, and you know, you need a deal come on, and have Black Stars issues, sir. I don't say check, but in crime is that yeah, some Uvan Chami, Ninaka, my friends. Yeah, some what's it?
Kiss Nana.
Steven Apia account. I know you report here, but
Yeah.
Apia there. I want to buy account
management
committee. No.
Yes. So and also near bay.
Very good.
Yeah, can want some there can. Because
My friend, I mean, you wait for I what was it? I know you're just unique pub and restaurant there. Now, you're offer kwesi da ko. Also no ya na and you buy be sra ni ade. I was say offer car if you more kwa lodge. E be see we Bruce station taxi. Now, I was the wajane safwa atumu. Now, taxi driver no so you mention no ti okoman. Into obesre the taxi driver and you fa ya bra offer kwesi da ko. Bra kwesi da ko fi more kwa lodge junction also. ABC a Bruce station no. Masara wa seat na echire wo on so wajane keys area to say nye echire mpo na front a osere wa hwe na fi so no fa keys no e we jan wo kuma na yes nsa obetima kan odi beja wo kuma ha nsa ebeka ana say ni no obetima friend number 0244 8235 37 0244 8235 37. Nti taxi driver ofa ya bra ofa if you more lodge abepem a Bruce station no yes sir wa ocho okay no mabo say keys aha what dem po won ka be kwa phone ba kwa ocho okay na won keys bia say wo ma yes sir wa fa beja Okuman 97.1 ye wa kufu road ya
ndo so hu wo abetena kan na chi bia
ofa na dem driver
no ba
baba yes ye wa kufu road ya baba aha fresh Black Star Management Committee.
Yes, one say Bribia, ya near cancer, Krumu, and I say, and penny for no. I'm your margin say, Sabi, almost join the Amai. Because I say, almost we are born, bomu, almost my bobo, ni be panel. You had the I say, you almost in chain. Because all the management committee ever now, what they buy and Crawford boy, HRV, or far for my player, but one beshim. Aye nyina nim say adwuma na ayeye no bo ho adwuma and omo maye bi pen no ene wo say yeye de ye de omo ye enu nti na obekọ Cameroon na ne Samuel Eto'o abe Cameroon FA president no because adwuma no ye no obobo no efi e kan say Cameroon ho e de kwa amano ne eto aso amenne clubs akese na Samuel Eto'o ebo ye na o ye FA president or Cameroon. But ye krumu anu ya ye chenchina se unitim bia che se enisa oben ye ball no and enya sa na was because minim team a Samuel Eto'o ewo but na we FA president ewo Cameroon enti ye ti krumu a na ye say unitim a enya de a ubetimi anya post bi ana say post obedi FA president ewo krumu a ubetimi adida because onka omonkrofo no enya no but omo ewo so omo onimdie no omo ena wo se ye den ye de omo ye adwuma no enti management committee no kra ye mu bebre no 2014 World Cup ye mu bebre hu se no kan bi ena ma sa entokwasem eni asotro ni na asefo no etimi piem because place ni hu se asenkrofo bi eti akire ye se ye yi sikafo omo sika sabe ye ho kire a ombe boaye e de my management committee but sika ye players ne ye je no esa sika fo na je no times 2 omo je no times 2 enti ye hu sa say ye adwuma no kra ye nya sika but omo tencha ni mo na edi sa sika no enti me aka me nko eke this management committee kra na wo say ye den eni kwan say ye paw nipa be ye nsia ana say num so mo ko management committee te say ne senior na oni e kasa from Kumasen kan unya Tony Bafo baako bia ana say nipa baako mienu bia ye de o my that management committee because of late ye hu adwuma sa management committee no eye and Ghana 2006 ye press ye be ko World Cup no aban no eye den eboa ye de sika hyemu ama Ghana ye hu say ade we na hia but since then yetimi aye niema bia hu say akofo how e de abra Ghana because management committee no me no can say a player age 15,000 omo de ye gbo humienu de mom 30 and player e bobo no hu sa de yi there's no way say sa player ni mpo obekunu ho de amman no because panyin a ye so no wo sika e wo so no mpo e bo aye no eje double ni onu player ni eje and metie mi senior mai ya no can say ye hia empanyifo ni bi ebi obi wo ho discover abebo ayen and other countries no sa de na enim even FA no cry to me to the bottom eyi sika de boa national team other countries no by ye kromu anti nientia ama aban no and ade ne nsa na so no appointment edman na ye national team coaches side no because ono na etuaka but other countries no ade FA no eboa kakra and wo hwe Ghana you can say Ghana Soccer Center of Excellence pram idea was Ghana Football Association no mo na esi that side face no with the help of FIFA Sikomo de brain but and I no ka say sa edifice no yentumi wie bibi papa bia ho e be che say Ghana ye wodachi bi ana say ye pe baby e the place akwa ana say akwobom ho adwa say under 17 under 20 ye benyampo ebi ni wo because sike was say dey say adwuma ni nyina ebe CFA ni nsem a nom dey bibi foforo and say we FA president na say or priority ni say mabeli president na the best and as the first thing metimi ay say ye betu yakatuam na say ye gi bi a 80,000 ye beji 100,000 you can say 10,000 old new currency ya I think say very bad so Ghana I was say to niema ye the issue about Ghana no here about say management committee ye hia soja ni ewom before say player e bebu ade and say discipline be adwuma on national camp no that's not the issue and yes say hia soja ni because say player I was say player edantem and say eba camp ntem na want to me ama and yes soja ni and e be twe that player and as no I was say rules are ye di adwuma or national team no you make sure say sabe enu betimi aye adwuma and found say we ye wo bobo te say Messi and asempo Ronaldo na so wo Ghana national team wa na say was say o report to camp in term na want me anya na je say hia so jani ansa na yetimi adan atwon aso eke eti mi hu say nipa ni bebre wo da committee no mu no ehun hia football people kakra bi omo mabbo ni bi omo betimi ni players akasa players here ye di omachi Mohamed Salusi utie Ghana ni issue about bribes and some under 17 because of security yan free guy no ye ni di FIFA finalists num and ene national team so oni team bi te say Man City num etimi gina from afse akan eboa ni team omo munya 1-1 draw and also enura say omo Tottenham Hotspur ebo game e win 3-2 away e wo Tottenham home ene under 17 now gini scout and then we hear no but there's no way so beba because ye nkromu ha no ya ne say ye de ha saa ne ete untumi nya wo hwe da say abofra bi nim bobo a e wo se agini sika kransa na ya mana bobo no ene sinya tim ye nya no place ye di o machi Steven Apia no mu say ni bi ene betimi ni o makasa na o mu sampa o mu hia o man Ghana na nyɛ da mpanyinfo akɛse a yɛsɛ sikafo bat obekom no no cry G sika na player na gene times 2 etieke atense management committee nipa ne dɔso and ye komu kura ye pay players ba ko mienu bia just omu manage ye kan say players ne kakasa anya bibia coach nso wo ho enti say ye manage players ba ko mienu ne ekwan e be fa so ni players ni bi akasa na yetimi anyo omo de aba de national team no mu a atense ye hia nipa bebre ye hia don bebre bia ye hia players be ba ko mienu bi te say ton ba afo nom ni enya seven apia no mokra e de kan ho ni ehun say yes emrante betimi abo ni etimi anya players ni bi na mrebe ba sa players ya wo mama no ne de eke there's no way so all from Ghana akron beba.
Okay nti I know ya papa first me can so that so tie okoma 97.1 okoma global sports ana wasugu so out tie nti no for WhatsApp message ana face to SMS efabra enche maybe phone lines no now so wetimi afra bana what do I do chere and so area ba okay where the aba I say good afternoon staff what the Ghana Football Association are doing to our football now is very useless and shameless. Qualify for just one match but not the one who will build the team. So corruption Richard inside Nwasu City Odumasu Krobo ono dia about chemu say niama afini ye no en buasesem sort ya say sebi if aso bi an sheda ye dey ni so wo fa coach obetuma long term coach enye coach aso mo 1 or 2 matches bi ansana otima ide akonanim enti no so betuma afrabem 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 ovina okabibi
masa we kan say ya fa otuado ya fa Bruno coach aba ana ya san say ehia on fe snapia asaba
beka management committee
adentina sa ni pele na ho no wo nyina ho esenso ye coach aro so ho mo pe ni pana mo ti abo Ghana dia anka esen mu nyina dai mo from nyina mu nu nhia esen ye coach snapia ye former
ye ntumi from nyina sa
David snapia ye former captain ma blaster ono de ko 2006 ono tuni president e kasa sa snapia no adentina mo mo no mo nu we board penny ono no press our ball no press no more outside snapia started from coast to Ghana and our ball na set tomorrow sa we captain ma blaster wa ball Juventus wa ball we ni nyina no onu press play outside press play outside so is no intendenti and I want snapia no moment manager I want me wa team no send the pen for boy na mo wo na no o to no na da akasa fine
okay
says kevos kevona go for na kwa ma for no wa na no mo mu na tranchan na ma blaster press ni mo nu enya adwuma no
okay
because cat ye hu adwuma bi o ye cat ye hu adwuma bi o ye
adwuma ni bi na o ye no
adwuma o ye hu say baller adwuma na cat o ye no.
Yes, I want you fair to get.
No.
Or you fair juma.
Fair juma na na. Je dey want to buy also we bo nema. Ne wo ni na wa yema. E dey passport no yema man no.
Okay. I me call the boy na the boy can be weak akana. Yes sorry so. The boy yeah.
Me chat for Pacho Nana. What number he?
Number 6.
Number 6 Sisi Ali Sisi. Ni ode Senegal for kofa African Cup nansen ano. The number no share no at least is last penalty the year 2000 on no say no. Tony Silva was their goalkeeper, one of the best goalkeepers Senegal for Ali Diouf, Elijah Diouf. Now Okasa team of African Cup with these 3 people were key men for African Cup nansen you will be the pele no mo you Tony Yeboah no mo nana you pesi yesua Senegal first time now. It is possible. Young faster nipa we no emetratra one and then because they want to tame
I said Olele a goalkeeper's trainer.
Ono kwa no odi ya bro because they want to tame Alhaji Grusa ninti. Omo shede de Alhaji Grusa ba be council afei papa ya ba kokora wie. Nana hwa we esikadie yencheni funfa anomba be ye. Wait, does it make sense? Say a certain Nigeria. Am I ready to go Qatar? Now, you need coach, I did go. Utuado ninja Borussia Dortmund. Now, Omra, no go about Matrama Queno. Now, I'm far. Why they be? It is Utuado or resign. I will Borussia Dortmund. Now, so yeah, day.
And let's on the decision.
Good. Eti Yanko Pobia on to be making critical decision for us. You need to see Sami Kufuor ebe ka ho. Obekyerɛ sɛ deɛ ma back pass hyɛ on goal.
The boy yes I want.
Yeah, World Cup bɛn ɛna yɛkɔɛ na ɔma back pass ne yɛhyɛ ho no hɛ. 2006 Germany meboa. Fi hɔ no ɔbɛbɔ bɔ ma Ghana bio. They are interested in ɔma burokyire because Bayern Munich win cup biara. Yɛ invite no na akɔdwane celebration.
Nana also pay the dues to the national team.
Oh yeah, then.
Pay the dues to the
national team. Oh yeah, then.
Boama Ghana qualified to their first World Cup.
No yeah, then you.
World Cup.
Ghana, you call first World Cup no. Your share go did deliver no a local player. Akwa no lopo ball no far. Goalkeeper ninche mu say no.
They share first goal as some boy.
Dabi, me say your boy you deliver go first. You need about 1-1 or so. Local player be now.
Okay, you new US now.
Yes. Local player.
I
mean them no but him bay.
No was good.
Oh you are Ashanti good. Oh, you are Nana. Me say it doesn't make sense. It doesn't hold water. Nana emphasis be nyese be anim.
Mami announce lines na to aso. Mami announce lines na send wa fa hiti. Abira no so ko. Ana okoi 0551 667755 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Also beti ma fra the boy.
Nana, we yen changing no part 10. Awurade akatu ase na be mo.
And omo be che bibia di. Ore ma me fo bi wa. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Bajo. Dini baby Afrefi.
Good afternoon. Your friend Alex Kasafri Japan.
Alex Japan Boko.
Boko.
All right, my name is
still now offender members because football people and yeah, as a omoko for politicians be a team be ready before one. They acquire chairman dinner so my Ghana football and to remember to say first in Caribbean.
Okay. Alex, my name is so to me Afraba 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. The boy, you know,
yes, Omoko an appearance fee $20,000. But your teacher ni ben and the pension pay. Why should I do you know every $20,000?
$20,000 they say.
$20,000, $25,000 here, 1.6 billion. Kakra. $20,000. Maybe can call Ibia 1.2 and 1. What I say? Oko African Cup. Now Comoros Shewa. Comoros Shewa 3-1 and 3-2. Yama 1.2. And then teacher ni Chemo Friday na komu failure. Yama teacher ni 90,000 Ghana cedis. Nana.
Se teacher ni na chara de na kono se bosumi e chara ka.
And I say omko ball we na komu lusua. Nenya na Ghana amafo koto African Cup mputo so mienu e mo bi a Cherokee no. Na nam say we emwa. I ban say na Chris Hughton with all his experience. Ya di Otoado to nanim. Some couple setting Nigeria now.
Technical advisor.
Advisor to who? Obi a coach team da.
Team.
Obi a coach team da. And Obi a one coach Mofra team. You be here there near say. You coach bi da no. Wa coach Premier League team da no. Yan fa no 2 second 2.
So with the experience, you need to know the advisor to the technical.
And I'm about to know you job money with fear papa.
Was it?
Oh papa the job money now. Oh papa experience and now on your head. It can your experience never on your head. And can your experience no Chris Hughton no experience no. You can find your head. Nanka when you did it man and you no kura e ma team na e kwa Africa no. And you know.
Chris Hughton na kwese busu pay you a Black Star.
Why?
Chris Hilton.
Na me say abusia panyi ne de ne nya abofra.
I said Tina Chris Hilton ye busa pen. So no two.
Onu ko de tire.
Papa for there we busa any
Onu ko de tire. Africa. Nana onu nye tire. Kono wa ye bi da.
Afeni hu ne sa.
Na omu ye papa. Afeni ye papa. Apu ye nua achi Fred achi. Board ya from Wanka Ubi. Ya call you know your MC for Timothy Nibi. And I'm a boy. What do you mean?
The boy,
Debbie.
I wouldn't allow you.
So
no, Debbie, the boy. Debbie, Chisai.
Sadru when the team
Debbie, I wouldn't allow you. Withdraw and
apologize. Matriasa, Fedachi, me pacho. Nana, Fedachi had never to board, you see. Me pacho, you go African Cup, no ni park ni subi. No match commissioner for some of the matches. Africa, how did you be anymore? I didn't burn or the Black Star say, body your body say yes.
So call AFCON, I'm going Black Stage, I'm going cafe.
I didn't burn or the final match, no goalkeeper was experience. Or to me, Danny, and ensure a man for Yebi. You should go to Josimo Koulibaly. Utonsi ya otimi Koulibaly.
You the see the boy the boy Ebreno ko ye fancy. You the see a china ba beto aso china bra za ko di fufu on kwa na ko ente. Abraham na wa ko so na but Zana made it to John yura over consider ko just unique pub. Also faka edifi mokwa junction. Anybody see a blue station that the keys the safwa we jab our taxi no more. Now so like it's a taxi driver so na a document. It's no taxi driver o teme car. Pesrawa o show car dim na be say keys bia consider ko here. Keys bia be keys bia woman na o dey abeja o command radio. E wa Kufu road ya. Aha. Won so abetena car dim abe key bia o taxi mo tra taxi mo. Now keys bia say the man. Pesrawa former taxi driver no. Na ono so enfam embrace. And I say obetima free 0244 82 35 37 0244 82 35 37. Now also ama yesaka the boy
and now say for consider I could there ya offer obi on kire mo
na Tony way
Kufu teacher
Tony mami
na we am chia ura Alexa akode say incoming chairman for Okre constituency and DC omutie DC tie
DC okay district chief executive
Daniel Kenneth Nanado Abrantie and Abraham Manso and Afame te ho
Ote Abraham
na osi Abraham Manso minchia Ziggy mano
send the banner no
and you say me buy Ziggy enum ayi na say ana onko Abraham ho na
ya butuo na say janu to the ho na enum
there be Ziggy Abraham ho
Ziggy the banner butuo ase dia
yes wo papa
onko Abraham ma beka there be o say me banner dia udo na say mama me pevuto na say waka just me banner dia me srew the banner say ye the banner wo so the banner wa ha no Ziggy dia pevuto na say
ni Ziggy pe
I say
Mama Grace oh Abraham mama na ya kwa yangoto Abraham mama
oh
yangoto Abraham mama Grace on favor ji esika
o say
yangoto Abraham mama
say dua no ton
there be okuma for the buy free zai obapa cuisine ho ye kwa free
mami okay mami chi obapa madam Jamiche mi chi ano one governor mi chi ano you know we did you
fine
oh did you are say those marks I don't know what na papa na no ala
eh mama to mama bu
yeah parliament
sport this year bibia bi wo everything
bibia bi wo the boy mama we say me mama
oh mama anka
me mama ba ko oh Kudumase your friend Osechi mama Osechi and then birthday mama Osechi mama we say happy birthday on the Kudumase no me mama ya no Grace so say the bad Grace so say we say no happy birthday so answer na staff for Rifianko na staff for ne mama no you know ya mama Osechi sa na ne akuro bia friend mama Osechi Osage and birthday you know come on team ni nyina Safori and Grace and o mani nyina ye nyina ko ma safu nyina yes ya we show happy birthday oh na ye de o ko to
many afa
you know
na da no me hu mi show wa ye na say
show we
na kwa me mama ye na say me so mic mu obia bonso mama me sa
we are bonso wan ma
ama China
the boy my uncle ama China
I said that birthday chairman ye man no ama China and then so ye ne birthday ti wonyi bi and nana Koko ase. Koko ase. Ebi Kwame Tofe ye assemblyman no. Abranti bi yi ni yam abro sister bi. Ama sister ni ntumi nante.
The boy say no.
Sister no beba.
I don't know say who dem na be a police station be and adopt.
Obeba have kana asema. Say the case number DCOP Fosuaka regional police minister. Yeah, police commander.
They be say regional police commander there. They be your district and divisional police wa.
Say be obeka say yeah.
And you heavy. We heavy something. It drops to so drops to force you know ma.
You assistant
Madam Eunice, you tie me am chiao.
Madam Eunice.
Me am the issue no beba. Na je say.
Na say police for
they say abroad there Zuma kura akobo ejamwa. Ya find $250,000.
Na no omo bo match won say dey ehuro no.
Ya say okoto form ya say was water form ya ejamwa ni the
get Zuma you big the car. You can't play the football. Zuma.
Ya say $250,000 who be here ko. Ya dey call charity. Charity no so anya nipa charity o. Ejamwa ni be charity.
Emema ni bi wo man mi ya almost on best akra.
Entro the boy no. Ya the jumadi yeri nyina besi executive producer Owura Kofi Anson Bafo and Edda Jumadi and Sanson head of sports Nana Kofi Okorajiman supported by Jeff Akufo Boateng Papa the fresh and so what teneka sika nyina ekura no sika ekura papa fresh pa Sanson Kofi coach yes ono say ni waton the player akoko Portugal ti bibi kakra aba no ba ko so ko brekum Chelsea India no so that deal ni nyina me no nyina ye ba betena se dey to my review of the deal na ya hwe mu say sika bia nkodi bia bi bone a na say no say aka go vi obere no ko ye ko onyi ase bi aka the boys so no boteneka DJ Ziggy so no social media no so no ebo echi on Facebook YouTube Instagram Twitter ni nyina so ebo echi dom Tony Montana yes and keke gum course ni nyina e de gumu ma me da yelo kwaku ase sa so na Michael Asarepuadu and so of Silver FM ni ndo ma se so mbo a part of the show sa so na Donzi and vibes obu nyina so na boy me din ene Nana Kwame Amponsedi obetimi afre me AK ema nyina AK ema no omo so mo pe AK nti AK no me so me de be mo pa na bibi anso na kama nyame pa ejina ye be senhia na fin so no yato aso muchum kai